the direction of the car. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, and this one must be at the artery side. So this is your bicep area, and this is antecubital fossa. You see the line? This is antecubital fossa. Okay, so once you want to put this one,
Duduk tangan, duduk payung, duduk belah payung. Mana tak ada? Baik Abang Syam. Baik dah turun. Dah turun dia ni. Oh dia ni. Aura. Baik Fadlan.
so patient with your hand on the table. So you put this car on. It's about 2 fingers from the antecubital fossa. 2 fingers, okay? Don't go too high or too low.
Cukup baju apa dia ni? Ni gila ni. Tak lipat. Apa dia sini ni? Okay, pusing. Tak ada ketat sangat kan?
It's in this direction. Don't get confused. If it's layman, they usually put this at the back because it's quite disturbing. But the right way to do it is it's in front, so that they don't have any other pressure, like it gets pressed by your elbow or so on. Okay? Right. So 2 fingers from this side. Okay. So for the carpentry method, this is lock first. It's clockwise for lock and anti-clockwise to open it.
Together.
Right, and it's open. So you
kena lock ke kena lock? Kena lock.
Because your eyes need to be at the same level with this one.
Oh.
Okay? Right, so first,
Jangan keraskan.
like I said, the dominant hand will keep this palm, will hold this palm, and the non-dominant hand will palpate the pulse. Okay, I need to find the radial pulse. First, you need to find it. Okay? Okay, now, your right hand holding this palm, your left hand holding the pulse, palpating the pulse, and your eyes should be here. Okay? Remember? Your eyes should always be at the pressure, at the Sphygmomanometer. Okay, now I will inflate this palm. Make sure it's locked first. Okay, I will inflate this palm, and I will inflate until I lost the pulse.
Oh,
Okay.
dia mati ya?
Mati tak sampai dia tak rasa dah.
Oh, rasa
Dah tangan dia.
My eyes is always here. Okay, so this side.
Mak jangan tahan nafas Mak.
Tak kira apa. Kosong.
Dia boleh kan pakai stetoskop? Ha, tu nak sambil dia pakai
Okay, so I will release it slowly. And the time I release it, it will be the systolic blood pressure. Once I release this one, and then I can palpate the radial pulse, that is the systolic blood pressure. So I lost the radial pulse is disappear at 145, something like that. And when I deflated it, I got to feel the pulse again at 120.
So 140, 120.
And
120 tu yang
it's very tight over here.
Cuma dah bagi dengan Mac. Bukan macam ini.
Okay, now I remember I did 120 for systolic blood pressure. Now we use this one for the
Tapi tak ada masalah.
auscultation auscultatory method. So again, use your stethoscope wisely.
Ni orang pakai kat atas kan. Mengajar dah betul. Ini perempuan tak ada pakai bawal lah ni. Kena pakai ni, mengkarung tanah.
So look at
Everything just education cukup kat telinga.
So this is when it's nothing here, like a hole, this is closed. But when you see there is something there, like a valve, that is open. And you can always try. It's very loud on the ear.
Yes.
Okay, this one.
Dia pusing yang
until
kecil
you
tu.
palm,
Dia pusing yang bulat kecil.
Pusing ni. Siapa cantik tu?
okay, and your hand shouldn't be covered just at the diaphragm area. It should be at the body parts. At the blue line here. Because if you put it, you know, it's the how you listen to the muffled sound and or pop sound. Okay.
Terus untuk berbatan.
So I put it over here, and just now it's 120, right? The systolic. So I need to pump this one until it 140 or 150. So plus minus 20 or 30 millimeter mercury. And then what's next is very important. So the first sound, and then after you press until that 160 for example, 150, you will release this very slowly. Okay, this needs some skill to do it slowly with one hand. Okay? So the first sound that you will listen to your ears is actually what we call cough sound 1, and that's referring to the systolic blood pressure. And then you keep listening, you keep reducing this, deflecting this pump until you will listen like tap, until the last one, that will be your, before you lost that sound, that will be your last cough sound which you're referring to.
Diastolic.
So the pressure will be keep changing here. Your eyes will always be here. Okay? Alright, so now I will
Suka tu. So bila tu tak.
Kadang kau tak terjumpa pun. Jadi jelas. Kadang kau terlepas.
Tak faham dia tu.
Good luck.
Tadi macam tadi bunyi macam itu.
Bye Mat. Lepak ni. Refer bilik reception. Refer reception.
Dengar pada lama ni.
Memang. Oh.
Dia mati kan.
tahu. And 125. The last one before I lost that purple sound is the diastolic. It's about 90.
Siap.
So the blood
Ada.
pressure is
Tadi 20 30. 90 lebih.
InsyaAllah.
Tak lama. Naik 70 kan.
120 over 85 something.
Yes.
Okay, so that is your friend blood pressure. Okay, now everyone clear?
Yes.
Don't forget to release until finish it, until you like open it. Don't forget to release it after you finish everything. Because it's really tight over here. You need to release it.
Amat sadar.
Okay, everyone understand?
Yes.
No, you must be very clear, okay? If it's not coming,
Baik, Mat. Mat dah boleh mula nafas. Cuma dia cakap nak belakang.
Stabilizer. Oh tak lama.